Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update for Wednesday 31 of August. I'm looking at JASMY right now at the moment, and we do have JASMY in trouble, and I do believe that JASMY went down like this, moved sideways, made that bearish rectangle, and I do see bearish rectangle so many times with JASMY that it's just insane. So from here we'll go from there to there, and this is where you're breaking out. So the technical target still remains down to 6,554. So don't get excited anytime soon. All this sideways movement maybe could be a nice scalping opportunity if you know how to scalp. We've been scalping in signals as well, and we've been profitable right now at the moment with this short range trading. That's what I will say. It's short range trading. It's range trading, sideways market trading right now. Okay, so unfortunately what I do see is that you still went up to a particular resistance. Now Wednesdays and Thursdays can be a little bit pumpy for JASMY as well, so even if you were to move up, you can actually go up to 9,142, another scalping opportunity. Again, get rejected, and then by the weekends you just move to the downside. So that's pretty much it for the view still remains to the downside. If however you just break up the highest part of the flag, come above 9,500 and hold that level, then there's good chance you can actually go back up. And that's pretty much it for the update. Quick one. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.